Comparing like fractions. The fraction which have the same denominator are called like fractions. So to compare like fraction, we need to compare their numerator only. Okay. So the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Here 11 is greater than 7. So 11 by 13 is greater than 7 by 13. Comparing unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fraction which have different denominator. So first we will compare the unlike fraction with same numerator. So here we have two fraction with same numerator but different denominator. Okay. So to compare this type of fraction, we just compare the denominator of this number. Okay. So smaller the denominator, greater the fraction, just opposite. Okay, greater the fraction. So here 5 is less than 13, so 7 by 5 is greater than 7 by 13. Now we will compare the unlike fraction with different numerator. Okay, so to compare this type of fractions, we can use two methods, by LCM method and by cross multiplication. Okay, so first we will do it by LCM method. So to compare them by LCM method, we will just find out the LCM of 8 and 12. Okay, so LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Okay, now we will change the denominator of these fraction according to their LCM. Okay, so we will multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 by 8 by 3. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator of 5 by 12 by 2. Okay, so to get the denominator 24. So 10 by 24. Now these two fractions are the like fraction, so we can compare them by like fraction. So greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Okay, so 10 is greater than 9. So we can say that 10 by 24 is greater than 9 by 24. It means 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. Now we will do by cross multiplication method. Okay. So first we will write down both number 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. Okay. So we will just start with multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Okay. So we will multiply 3 into 12 and we get 36. Okay, now we will multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Okay, so 8 into 5, which is equal to 40. Now 40 is greater than 36, so 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, comparing mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are the combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, so first we will compare the mixed fraction with different whole number part, and then we will compare the mixed fraction with same whole number part. Okay, so to compare these type of fractions in which the whole number part is different, we just compare the whole number part of this fraction. We don't need to compare the fraction part of these number. Okay, so greater the whole number part, greater the fraction. Here 6 is greater than 5, so 6 1 by 2 is greater than 5 1 by 6. Okay, now we will compare this type of fraction in which whole number part is same. Okay, so here we look at the fraction part of these number. Okay, so the fraction part of this number are 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. Okay, first we will convert them into like fraction. Okay, so we will take LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, now we will convert their denominator according to the LCM. So first we will convert 1 by 3. So we will multiply it by 5. After multiplying numerator and denominator by 5, we will get 5 by 15. Now we will convert 2 by 5. So we will multiply it by 3. Okay, so to get the denominator 15. So we will get 6 by 15. Okay, now these two fractions are the like fraction. Now we will compare them by like fraction. So greater the numerator, greater the fraction. So here 6 is greater than 5. So 6 by 15 is greater than 5 by 15. Or 5 2 by 5 is greater than 5 1 by 3. Okay.